Good afternoon, students. I have already shared a video on our lesson number first. Okay. Today we are going to explain our lesson number first. What is the name of our lesson is? That is, how does a computer work? It's a question. How does a computer work? Do you know how a computer work? Already we have learned this in a last class, that means in a second standard. Teacher already explained all the things, that means how the computer works. But today in this lesson number first we are going to repeat all these things. Okay, so watch and listen carefully. First point, that is, what are the important point in this lesson? First, input, processing and output. How the computer actually work? Can you remember? We have to give something data to the computer. This data is going to inside the computer. That's why it known as a input to the computer. And computer CPU does what? Processing. What is mean by the processing? Processing means do the work on your input. Is it clear, everyone? What is mean by the processing? Do the work on a given input. Input is also known as a data. We have already know. Okay, what is mean by the input? Input is nothing but the data. And when we do the process on data, what we get? Yes, computer will generate the output. When we process our data, we get the output. This is the very important and very simple method. If you are not getting this process cleared yet, first consider this example. What is this? This is the example. These are the dirty clothes. What is this? Dirty clothes. Okay. And how this is washing machine. Can you see? This is a washing machine. And when we put these clothes in your washing machine, when machine will wash these clothes, dry it, and what we get? Can you tell me? When we enter the dirty cloth in our washing machine, our clothes will be clean. Have you know, everyone? When we enter the dirty clothes in our machine will gives us a clean clothes. Same way, consider this example. These dirty clothes are nothing but the input. Input to what? This machine. This machine will do the process on our input. Means these clothes are the input for washing machine. Washing machine wash these clothes. Wash these clothes means it will process on our input clothes, and after processing it will generate the output, means it will generate the clean clothes. Same way, our computer took the input, took the data, took the process inside computer, means CPU, do the processing on it and generate the output. Now clear, everyone? Yes. So that's why, in short, this computer working process is known as a IPO model. Which model? IPO. I stands for input, P stands for processing, O stands for output. That is input processing output model. IPO. Is this clear how we give the name IPO? That means input processing model. Is this clear, everyone? It's a very simple topic. Can you give me the another example of input output processing? Yes, when you use the mixer. Okay, when you enter some food in a mixer, it is an input. Mixer is a processing device and it will give the grinded fine paste of your food is known as an output. There are so many examples. Can you give the examples of input processing output device? Okay, so today This is our important point, that is input, processing, output and IPO model. So you can also see this image, that is input device gives the input to the processing unit and it will generate the output device. Okay, clear this concept. Today we will see the next point. Bye bye, take care.